CIA, chicken anemia virus, chicken anemia agent, blue wing disease. Definition: chicken infectious anemia is a disease of young chicken characterized by aplastic anemia, generalized lymphoid atrophy, subcutaneous and intramuscular hemorrhage, and immune depression. CIA virus was first isolated by Yasa in Japan in 1979. It has also been called chicken anemia agent, chicken anemia virus. Clinical signs: the only specific signs of chicken anemia infection characterized by hematocrit values ranging from 6 to 27. Normal hematocrit values are generally 29 to 35%. Diagnosis: a presumptive diagnosis is based upon clinical signs and those lesions, isolation in cell culture, serological assay, PCR, and ELISA. Control: best prevention is by immunization of breeder flocks period to the onset of reproduction between 13 and 15 weeks of age, but no closer to egg production than 4